Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved Google password in Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. RMS click. And passwords. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, in my case my Facebook one, and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit button next to Delete one and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!